Good evening, friends. This is time for the trade review for uh, 25th of November 2020. Now, let's first quickly have a look on the S&P 500. S&P 500 is in a narrow range. I don't think it's anything significant. And Nifty SGX right now is 12,973, which is substantially higher from where we closed, which was about, I think, 12,850, 860 thereabouts. So tomorrow we are again going to open gap up. So what did we do today? Now you can call me a businessman. You can say that I do marketing. Yes, I do. So let's do some marketing first. As all of you can see from the screenshots, these are trades which are given on the join button, and what kind of money people are making. So you are missing out if you are not in there. And the issue is not my view or my call. The issue is the aggression with which I trade. I cut losers quickly. I ride profits, and you can see on a more or less almost everyday type of basis, we are able to take good money out. Now, if I do 4 lakh, you know, the clients can do probably 40,000. I do 8 lakh, maybe a client does 80,000. The zeros don't matter. Having said this, our registrations for the live webinar on Saturday, 28th of November are still open. So that has a price tag of 20,000 plus GST, includes spending 8 hours with me, plus 2 weeks of morning and evening videos. One is a trade plan video, which you get by 7 o'clock in the morning, and the evening trade review video, uh, based on what we did uh, on that particular day. Or if you are not interested in live webinar, you can take by the recorded webinar, which is also available for 2,000 rupees plus GST. For all of these services, please contact on WhatsApp 98710 and or email at ashwani_gujral@yahoo.com. That's ASHWANI_GUJRAL at yahoo.com. So the commercial break is over, and let's now get back to what was the advice we gave to our join button and clients of higher services today. So let me go down and start from the beginning of the day. Okay, so this was good morning, members. Nifty is expected to open up very strongly. Next targets could be 13,300 and 30,300. We would like to book profits post the first half an hour. This is how carrying position works, plus the extra volume. As you would recall, I had carried home Bank Nifty calls, and we were able to get a very, very good price, sold almost around the highs when Bank Nifty was 350 plus higher. Okay, and day trading call was Adani Ports, which I saw sometime during the day, traded at about let's see, where did it trade? Adani Port went up as high as 405. So you can say this one worked. back to our calls. Okay, at uh, you know at about 10 o'clock we exited the Bank Nifty calls, and this was the overnight profit we had. Okay, then we gave swing trades on PVR, also day trading call on SBI Life, which moved up for a while. See, when the market crashes the way it did, nothing will work. Okay, so as a day trading call, that worked. Then we bought the 29,000 November put, and because it did not immediately work in our favor, we exited that 29,500 put, and uh, then finally we bought the, I think we made money on the 29,000 put. 29,500 put, we made about 2,17,000. Then in between, I tried to go long, trying to buy the dip on Bank Nifty. So I gave back those 2 lakh. But finally, at the end, I bought the 13,000 November put, and it basically collapsed and gave me back my 2 lakh. So I ended at the highest point in terms of my P&L. At every point in time, I tried to make sure that I don't lose more than a lakh. So if you see here, how much did the market beat me? 96,000. And how much did I beat the market? 2 lakh 17, 5 lakh 28, 2 lakh 27. So this is the sort of beating you have to be ready to give the market and not get beat up when it's trying to beat you. So that is my basic principle. It's not about calls, etc. It's aggressive trade management, aggressive cutting of losses. So basically, that's about the way I trade. It's more about trading style than any sort of great calling that happens, because where the market will go depends on the market, not on me. Now the 200 you have here is about 13,000. What is going to happen is that given the SGX value right now, chances are we are going to open somewhere here near, you can say, about 13,000. And from here we have to see what happens. This could happen because FII figure, if you see for the day, is hardly 24 crores. This sort of FII figure, you will not be able to take the markets up. Today, all private banks were lower. Why? Because FIIs drive those private banks. My sense is private banks could come down even further. So that will have implications for the Bank Nifty. So what I am interested in is to see tomorrow post the gap up, what sort of follow through the Bank Nifty gives me. Again, around this 29,500 type of zone, we are going to try to sell unless price action shows us something else. See, a lot of the times what we plan, the market does completely opposite. So plan is one issue, but the way to make money is to follow price action. So that should be it for this trade review. Take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor. That should be all. Good night and sleep tight.